Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to enable Gemini Assistant step by step. First, open your device settings and locate the System or Advanced Settings menu. Next, find Developer or Experimental Features and toggle Assistant access on. Confirm that your account is signed in and granted permission to enable Assistant features. Finally, restart the device if prompted and verify that the Assistant responds to activation commands. Start by opening Account Settings and selecting the account you want to use with the Assistant. Grant microphone, notifications, and any requested permissions so the Assistant can listen and send alerts. Link calendars, email, and supported apps to let the Assistant manage tasks and reminders. Review permission prompts carefully and revoke anything you don't want the Assistant to access. Finish by testing a simple voice command to confirm everything is working. Pick an activation method that fits your routine, whether voice wake, physical button, or gesture, and set it up in the Assistant settings. Customize a wake word and adjust privacy levels so the Assistant activates only when you want it to. Add shortcuts for frequent tasks like timers, messages, or navigation. Run through a few test commands to ensure responses are accurate and tweak settings until the Assistant behaves the way you prefer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.